Hey guys, welcome back to Web Tech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can log in to your Schwab account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Schwab. After that, click on Login. Now you'll be asked to enter your ID and your password. Make sure to enter them correctly. If you don't remember either of them, you can recover it by clicking on Forget ID or Password. After entering both ID and password correctly, click on Login. Your account will be logged in. This is it. This is how you log into your Schwab account. Hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.